Welcome to Wheelie Detailers. My name is Martin, and in this video we're gonna search for our best bug and insect cleaner. To compare these three products, we gave them all their own segments. On the left we find the decon FBI, in the center we find the turtlewax insect remover, and on the left we find the Koch finishing line insect off. We took this van last week for a drive from Holland to Hannover in Germany and back. It was a nice and sunny day, and we could see that insects and bugs were pretty much everywhere on the road to there and home again. Let's first read the labels carefully on how these products work. So I would say the way to go for both the three products is we're gonna spray them on, we're gonna let them cure for 60 seconds minimum, and then we're gonna hose them off with the pressure washer, and then we're gonna check the results. I always liked or disliked on, let's say, chemical products, that you have a good quality sprayer. And I have to say that's also what we are very keen on, is that all our decon products have good quality sprayers. The Koch version, also a nice sprayer, love it. It's quite a large volume that comes out of every spray. Always make sure to have around 30 to 40 centimeters of distance. I want to do the result as honest as possible, and I don't want to agitate it with a towel. I'm gonna blow it all dry with air. In this case there's the Tornado basic air dry gun is here on top of the hose. Yeah, I think only let the chemistry do the work. Let it soak in for 60 seconds and then hose it off with the pressure washer. Then decon would give you the best results, or let's say the least bad results, because there is, with insect cleaners, there's often something. But as we do it always in our videos, it's real cars, real dirt and real results. So we don't trick or edit or whatever, we just leave it how it is, so you can actually trust on it that the results here are the same as you would do it at home. I also have to say that I expected more from the turtlewax product, especially here on this section. It's like nothing happened. And on Koch, I would also rate that as a second. I would say the bonnet would still be quite acceptable and okay, but this part here, especially with these sharp insects, rest and bug splatter, same you see on the turtlewax on this side, I expected more from that. So only let the chemistry do the working is not enough to clean the front end of this Volkswagen bus. So now we're going to help it a little bit, and we're going to agitate it with a small mitt. So I filled up the washing bucket with the mint shampoo, maybe a little bit too enthusiastic. And I'm gonna use my microfiber wheel wedge, which is a small triangle shaped wheel mitt, which you can also perfectly use for other purposes. This is it. This is the mesh side and this is the microfiber side. I'm gonna use the mesh side, stick my fingers here behind the elastic part of the microfiber side. I'm gonna take up some suds and some soap. I'm gonna again spray on a little bit of our insect cleaner on the front end, part for part, where we wanted to test it. Agitate it like this. Now the mesh side doesn't scratch your paint or your vinyl wrap or your PPF, but it just scrubs a little bit more. So let's take the turtlewax product. I have to say the sprayer is awesome. So after washing and rinsing, let's put on the fast memo drying towel and see where we go on results. Just let it haze out a little bit. are we happy now? No, you know, it's still not, we're still not there yet. So I want to do an attempt with what we sometimes internally call our wonder product, which is our vanilla cream wax. Okay, we have these Delta hand applicators from Decon, which have the same foam structure as the polishing pads, but now only in a hand shape. So let's divide the wax, which is a combination actually of a finishing polish and a carnauba wax in one. Let's see what we can do. That looks much better already. We have still some stubborn spots left, so apparently doing it by hand is just not powerful enough for certain spots. So let me grab my polisher and put some vanilla cream wax on there. Time for the conclusions. In a nutshell, this was more work than I expected. I was hoping for spraying on, letting it cure and rinsing it off again with pressure, but unfortunately it was a little bit more work. So just in a nutshell, Decon FBI, chemical working very good, rinsing with pressure washer very good. It had the least amount of burned in and settled in rest of bug splatter. The second one for me was the Koch Chemie finisher line insect off, which was really good. And by the way, I love the sprayer that's on there, a really nice stream. And then in the center we have the turtlewax insect remover, which was the least powerful of these three. It does something, but it's not comparable with the other two on cleaning results. It left a lot of set in and burnt in bug splatter on the center part of the bonnet and also on the windshield, which we needed to hand polish and machine polish also here on these parts. Yeah, then there's this called what we call a wonder product, which is the Decon vanilla cream wax, which is a combination of a finishing polish and a carnauba wax in one. Yeah, and often it does miracles for lots of jobs, and in this case as well for getting rid of those burned in and settled in rest of bug splatter and insect splatter, especially here on the lower parts of the bonnet. So yeah, I hope this video helps you and guides you. If you have a lot of insect splatter and bug splatter on your car, which is very stubborn to remove, then in this case you've got a good guide, product explanation that can help you doing the job for your customers as well. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Got some questions, write them here below. I use the WhatsApp function on the website. So once your bonnet is completely free of insect and bug splatter again, and you want to maintain your car, and you want to know how to do that when you go to the local wash box, then you might want to click on the pop-up banner there. See you guys and girls in the next video. Bye bye.